Good morning, class 5. Once again, I am back. But today we are going to do grammar. Okay, children, remember last time I had taught you kinds of adjectives. So this is just again a part of the same topic. It is comparison of adjectives. Okay, what is comparing? Okay, children, comparing means where you are trying to find the dissimilarities between two things. When you're stating the difference of two things, that is called comparing. Alright, that is called comparing. So today we are going to do comparison of adjectives, which is degrees. Now again, once again I would like to say class 5, today we are not going to do the whole chapter. Okay, we are going to do a part, and in the live class I will do the remaining part of the chapter. Alright, because we have our live class also tomorrow. So we are going to do the remaining part of the chapter. Okay, we are going to do the remaining part of the chapter. I hope you are able to see me, my board. Yes, I'll move away from the front. Okay, I'll move away from the front. And this is an easy chapter because when you try, when we proceed, you will try to see, you will try to understand that we had already done this before. Similarly, what I have been telling you again and again, that chapters are all the same. Okay, only the difficulty level is going to go little bit higher and higher. Okay, so may I begin? May I begin, children? Okay, let me write down the date. Yes, I hope my board is visible. It is not shining much. Today is a rainy day. Yes, and the date is 12th of August and Wednesday. Yes, it is Wednesday. It is the 12th of August. It's a Wednesday. And what we are going to do is comparison of adjectives. I'll show you the chapter and the book. This is chapter number 9, and the book is Tune into Grammar 5. Tune into Grammar meant for 5. Okay. Now this is the book. Okay, this is the book, Tune into Grammar. This is part 5. Okay, and the chapter is comparison of adjectives. Okay, and page number 57. We begin from here. Today we are not going to do the whole chapter. We are just going to do a part of the chapter. All right. Today we are going to do a part of the chapter. Okay. Just going to do a part. I hope my camera is visible because I've tried to adjust. Please bear with me, children. This is everything is new for us, see, and we are slowly getting used to it. In fact, we've got used to it. It's been quite a number of days we've been doing this, isn't it? You all have also been trying something different. We have also been trying, and also great job to all those who had sent me their homeworks, whether it was grammar, whether it was the literature, whether it was the test. Remember, I had also given you a test, a revision class work, isn't it, in the live class last Saturday. All right. So last Saturday I had given you, it was the 8th of August, I had also given you during the live class a revision test, right? So also good job to those who have mailed me, who have taken the pain to also attach and mail me the work. I have also checked and sent it across, and some had also sent me across their moral science, that is their value education work also. Good job and well done to them. Now I am going to begin. I will erase the board. Yes, introduction is over. Now the chapter. I hope it is visible, children. You are able to see? Okay. Now I am going to write a few sentences. The shopping bag is heavy. All right. Now I'll just go on writing a few sentences. I'll read it out to you also. Okay, let me finish complete. Excuse me. Now, can you see these words? Okay, the shopping bag is heavy. Avik is a tall boy. Resham is a clever girl. Okay, so what are they? They are all adjectives, children. They are all adjectives. Okay, they are all adjectives, right? They are all adjectives. And why are they adjectives? Because they are describing these sentences. They are describing things about the particular nouns in the sentences. The shopping bag is heavy. Okay, Avik is a tall boy. Resham is a clever girl. So these are basically telling us about the nouns present in the sentence. They are describing. Okay, they are all describing words. And what are they? They are known as positive degrees. These are all known as positive degrees. Why positive degrees? Okay, because they are not making any changes to the adjective in it. Okay, they are not adding any letters to the adjectives there. Okay, whether heavy is not being changed into heavier or heaviest, tall is not being changed into taller or tallest, clever is not being changed into cleverer or cleverest. All right. Now let us, so they are known as positive degrees. Okay. Now let us go to the next level of degrees of degrees of adjectives. Okay. Why positive? As I said, because they are the simpler form of adjectives. They are not making any changes to the adjective. Okay. They are the simpler form. Now, the shopping bag is heavier than the school bag. Okay, this is one. This is one. Now again, Avik, okay, is taller than Harsh. All right, I'll tell you. First, let us read. This is number 2. Number 3. Okay, Resham is cleverer than Tanu. Okay, so have you seen these changes in the adjectives? Heavier, taller, cleverer. Okay, these are all changing, isn't it? It is no more in its simpler form. These adjectives are changing. Okay, so they are known as comparative degrees. They are known as comparative degrees. Why comparative degrees, children? Because they are comparing between two things. See, shopping bag, school bag. Avik, Harsh. Resham, Tanu. Isn't it? They are comparing between two things, okay, two person, two items, alright. That is why they are known as comparative degrees. And what are they using? Than. Have you seen than in every sentence? Alright. So, what is a comparative degree? A comparative degree of adjective is that adjective which compares two things and uses a than to state the difference, okay, to state the comparison. So, that these are called comparative degrees, right. Now, comes the third type, okay, third comparison. I suppose many will say, yes ma'am, we know it, it is superlative. I wish I could see you children in front of my eyes when I am teaching you this. I miss you all. I really miss you all. You know, I wish you all were all here. My board was here, the classroom was here. You all would have been seated. I would have been going from one row to another and going ahead and teaching you. I miss you all children. Now, next. Okay. Now, I'll just write it out. Shopping bag is the heaviest of all the bags. Number 2. Avik is the tallest in his class. Stop. Number 3. Resham is tallest boy in his class. Alright. Resham is the cleverest in her friend circle. Alright. So, I will read it out again. The shopping bag is the heaviest of all the bags. Avik is the tallest boy in his class. Resham is the cleverest in her friend circle. Now, can you see? Okay. Can you see these? Okay, I was trying to get a colored pen. Heaviest, tallest, cleverest. Now, can you see these changes in the adjectives? The simpler form is no longer there and est has been added in 3 adjectives. So, what are they doing? They are comparing more than 2 things, okay. They are comparing with more than 2 things, many things, yes. And they are also using the in it, the, alright. They are also using the determiner, the in it. The is a determiner, alright. So, what is happening? This is known as, I'll just use a black pen. This is known as superlative degree. Okay, it is known as superlative degree. So, the first one, what we had done, positive degree. Okay, what are the 3 degrees of adjective? Positive. What is positive? Positive is that which does not change from the simpler form to any other forms. Okay, like tall, clever, isn't it? Then heavy. These 3 examples I had started. Now, first one was positive. Second one is comparative. What is comparative? Comparative are comparing 2 things, are stating the difference between, dissimilarities between 2 things. So, how? Heavier, taller, heavier and cleverer. So these are again changing from simpler to comparative form, and it also uses the word than. Third one was superlative. What is superlative? Superlative means comparing more than two things, like est is added and they also use the determiner the with the superlative. Okay, like tallest, heaviest, cleverest. Alright. So these are the 3 degrees of comparison what we have we have done. And now the next part, what are certain rules and all, we will do it tomorrow in our live class. We are going to do the continuation of this chapter tomorrow in our live class. And as I said, children, Saturday we are going to have a revision. Alright. Saturday we are going to have a revision of whatever chapter, whether it is literature, whether it is grammar, and also I will give you on Saturday the question answers of the literature chapter what we had done previously. Alright. And then next week I plan to begin creative writing again, because we have only done paragraph. So we are going to do the second part. Alright. So for today I am going to sign off. I am going to say bye bye, ta-ta, ciao, see you tomorrow again with part 2 of comparison of adjectives. Alright. Very few homework will be there. I will just show it to you. Yes, this is our book as I said, and our homework will be page number 59, okay, 60, A and B. Alright. So learn. Alright. This and this, only this. We will continue with the rest tomorrow. Alright, we will continue with the rest tomorrow. And children, these are all to be done in the book. Not a single one is to be done in your notebook. In fact, I will not give you the rules exercise number C, okay, only A and B and learn exercise. So practice exercise A and practice exercise B and also the learn exercise. Alright. So finally saying bye bye, take care, stay safe, see you tomorrow, and please be present children, please be present.